Let's go. See, these guys, they're way too well dressed. So, all right. So since you're not a programmer because you dress so well, what are you trying to sell us here?
I am a React Native programmer.
Oh.
Paper is a library we've been working on the past months, and it actually allows you to write fully cross-platform designs, material designs, UIs for your React Native app.
The other speakers were amazing, and honestly, this is the first conference I've ever been to, so it was a really pleasant experience, and I hope other conferences I go to are just as good as this one.
This is a talk about you.
Oh, I love the conference. Like, this is the second edition, and I love the venue. To be honest, at first I was a bit scared because last year was great, and I was afraid that we will not meet the high bar, right? But it's crazy good, like, I love it. I love it, I'm already excited for the next year edition. Thank you very much. Great applause for our panelists.